You excited about those? So we just ran out, didn't we? Yeah, the invoice, blah. Ooh. Pass it over this way and I'll go ahead and start opening it for you. Or not.
There's 3 of these.
3 of those? Why do you think there's 3?
No, 4.
4. 1 for Delilah, 1 for Dante, 1 for Darcy, and 1 for Mommy.
What about Daddy?
Daddy doesn't take it. He takes something different.
Oh. What are these?
Those are the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap.
What are these two?
Those are the pumps that go on the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap that you just threw over on the side of the table. The Thieves Household Cleaner. That's what we clean everything with.
Lipstick.
Yay, chapstick.
Lipstick.
Or AKA Magic Juice.
What's magic juice?
When you get boo-boos, that's what I put on your boo-boos to make them better.
Is this magic juice?
No, that's Thieves mouthwash. One Thieves toothpaste and another Thieves foaming hand wash. That's alright. I'll pick it up.
I can do it.
Well, are you through?
Well, first you have to.
You want to see what's in the tubes?
No, I want to see the video.
See your video? Well, what's in here? Inner defense. We're in the months or the times where you don't feel your best, like something's probably starting to affect you. Help take that and nip it in the bud. And then a couple of essential oils. The Thieves, a 15 ml of Thieves. A 15 ml of Digees for all of your tummy digestive problems. And then a 5 ml of clove. There you go. That was our Essential Rewards order for September.